Hello, I'm Kev from dataSights, and this short video is about how Xero connected to Excel, Power BI, Google Looker, and Google Sheets. Essentially, we pull data from one or many Xeros into a dedicated Microsoft Azure SQL database that is your asset. We are accountable and responsible for it. It can be in any region globally of your choice, and it can either be in our account or your account, so you can bring your own essentially. From there, you can very easily connect Microsoft Excel, Power BI, Google Looker, and we can push to Google Sheets as well. Finance teams use the connector to automate management reporting, board packs, month-end workflows, whether that's with our Office add-in to download reports with drill down to transactions, or using the Data tab in Power Query to pull in consolidated and ready-to-use reporting data, or indeed push back to Xero. And of course, then you can connect Power BI Desktop, publish up to your powerbi.com, and you'll be using the same ready-to-use SQL views that we give you for free, which are customizable by yourselves or by us, or we can do it together. And last but not least, of course, you can connect Google Looker directly to your SQL database, and we have a Google Sheet push service which can automate customizable views of data into your Google Sheets so that they start performant and stay performant. So whether you're a finance team or a BI developer, our connector gives you reliable Xero data with data that is ready to use. Thank you.